Hey guys, it's Will from 24 Tech Line. I'm going to show you how to take an Xbox controller and take off the parts, like the joystick. Alright, I'm going to show you how to do that. What you'll need is a soldering iron, a solder sucker, or desoldering tool, like this blue one that I have here. And I'm going to show you how to take this off. If you broke the joystick on your controller, you can replace it. It's very easily replaced. What you do is make sure you have your soldering iron heated up. Make sure it's nice and hot. You start desoldering. And just follow the pattern. Always want to keep that soldering tip clean when you're working. Alright? My pump has just got a little clog, so give me a second, I'll get right back to you guys. Just making sure that my pump is unclogged. So back to what I was doing. To show you. See, now if your soldering tip is not up to par, you're gonna have problems. So you want to make sure you keep that soldering tip clean. If you need to tint the solder tip a little bit, do that with a little bit of solder. Keep it going. All right, let's go back to what we were doing. Alright, now you're going to basically examine all your points that you soldered. Alright, so I'm looking at all the connectors. Alright, your solder points, and you're going to basically go over them. You need to go over them a couple times so you can get all the solder out. You can do that. Alright. We got two more. They're right here, these two big giant ones. Let me show you. See these two big giant ones over here? Let me show you how this works. You see this one right here? I'm gonna suck it up on one shot. Alright. So now that's all done. I should be able to take this right out. If I have any problems, what I'll do is I'm just loosening up all the soldering joints. Alright, do it slowly. It's gonna come out. Just be careful. You don't damage the board. Alright. You can use a desoldering braid too, but I use the sucker. It's called a vacuum pump. So, and you just basically, you know, you wiggle it. If it doesn't come out, just make sure that all the soldering, actually all the solder is coming off the, you know. So that's basically it. You just want to take it out, and it'll come right out. Pull it right out, and there you go. Alright guys, gotta work on this board. So next time, this is Will from 24 Tech Line. If you have any other questions, post any comments, and I'll be happy to help you. Take care.